Look at this tree. Wow. There's some of the leaves on the ground. Oh, look at this. This is no color added. This is just the way it looks right now. October 31st, 2025. Oh my God, it's so incredible. Each one is so different. Wow, it looks like it was like frosted with the red, doesn't it? And a lot of them don't have it like that. Man, oh man. Wow. What a gift. Just this moment. Yeah, what a gift. Oh, I love it. Gosh, oh gosh. That's so fabulous. Yeah, look at that. And you know, I'd like to take them home, and I've tried to do that before, but then they just turn brown. It's like you only have this moment, and then that's gone. So you have to soak it up. All right, bye-bye.